Hello everyone, my name is Shashank Kenne. Today's topic is about microcontroller and microprocessor. Let us start with the microcontroller. What is microcontroller? A microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes processor, memory, and input-output peripherals on a single chip. Example: ESPON semiconductor, analog devices, NXP semiconductors. This is a picture of an NXP semiconductor. Next, types of microcontroller. It is divided into various categories like bit, memory, instruction set, architecture. Bit-based microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller. This type of a microcontroller is used to execute arithmetic and logical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Example: Intel 8031 and 8051. 16-bit microcontroller. This type of a microcontroller is used to perform arithmetic and logical operations where higher accuracy and performance is required. Example: Intel 8096. 32-bit microcontroller. This type of a microcontroller is generally used in automatically controlled appliances like automatic operational machines, medical appliances, etc. Memory-based microcontroller. External memory microcontroller. This type of a microcontroller is designed in such a way that they don't have a program memory on the chip. Hence, it is named as external memory microcontroller. Example: Intel 8031 microcontroller. Embedded memory microcontroller. This type of a microcontroller is designed in such a way that the microcontroller has all programs and data memory, counters and timers, interrupts, I/O ports are embedded on the chip. Example: Intel 8051 microcontroller. Instruction set based microcontroller. CISC. CISC stands for Complex Instruction Set Computer. It allows the user to insert a single instruction as an alternative to many simple instructions. RISC. RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computers. It reduces the operational time by shortening the clock cycle per instruction. Applications of the microcontroller. Microcontrollers are widely used in various different devices such as light sensing and control devices like LED, temperature sensing and controlling devices like microwave oven, chimneys, fire detection and safety devices like fire alarm, and measuring devices like voltmeter, etc. Next, microprocessor. What is a microprocessor? A microprocessor is a computer processor where the data processing logic and control is included on a single integrated circuit or a small number of ICs. The microprocessor contains the arithmetic, logic, and control circuitry required to perform the function of a computer central processing unit. Example: Intel, AMD, ARM. Types of microprocessors. CISC, Complex Instruction Set Computer. As the name suggests, the instructions are in a complex form. It means that a single instruction can contain many low-level instructions, for example, loading data from memory, storing data to the memory, performing basic operations, etc. Besides, we can say that a single instruction has multiple addressing modes. Furthermore, as there are more operations in single instructions, they use very few registers. Example: Intel 386, Intel 486, Pentium, Pentium Pro, Pentium 2. RISC, Reduced Instruction Set Computer. As per the name in this, the instructions are quite simple and hence they execute quickly. Moreover, the instructions get complete in one clock cycle and also use a few addressing modes only. Besides, it makes use of multiple registers so that interaction with memory is less. Example: IBM RS6000, DEC Alpha 21064, etc. Next, EPIC, Explicitly Parallel Instructions Computing. It allows the instructions to compute parallelly by making use of compilers. Moreover, the complex instructions also process in a fewer clock frequency. Furthermore, it encodes the instructions in a 128-bit bundles, where each bundle contains three instructions encoded in 41 bits each and 5-bit template. This 5-bit template contains information about the type of instructions and that which instructions can be executed in parallel. Example, Intel architecture 64. Applications of microprocessor. Now, the microprocessor are used in calculators, accounting system, game machines, complex industrial controllers, traffic light control, data acquisition system, multi-users, multifunction environments, military applications. Microcontroller versus microprocessor. This picture shows the architecture of the microcontroller and microprocessor. Microcontroller uses hardware architecture and microprocessor uses von Neumann model. This is the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. First, let us start with microprocessor. Since memory and I/O are connected externally, the circuit becomes large in size. It cannot be used in compact systems. It is not suitable for devices that run on stored power since total power consumption is high due to external components. RAM, ROM, I/O units, and other peripherals are not embedded on a single chip, do not have power saving mode used in personal computers. Less number of registers uses an external bus based on von Neumann model. It is a central processing unit on a single silicon-based integrated chip, complex and expensive due to large number of instructions to process, can run at very high speed, and cost is also high. Next, microcontroller. Microcontroller. Since memory and I/O are present together, the internal circuit is small in size. It can be used in compact system. It can be used on a device that uses stored power since total power consumption is low due to less external components. RAM, ROM, CPU, and other peripherals are embedded on a single chip, having power saving mode used in embedded systems. More number of registers uses an internal controlling bus based on hardware architecture. It is a byproduct of development of microprocessor with a CPU along with other peripherals. Simple and inexpensive due to less number of instructions to process, can run up to 200 megahertz or more, and cost is also low. I hope everyone understand what is microcontroller, what is microprocessor, and difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. Thank you.